Hi, a custom search is a program that I have found very useful while teaching my sixth graders online who are just getting used to using computers and not venturing off to very bad websites and sites that are not appropriate for them. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to google.com and we're going to type in custom search. When you get to custom search, it'll come up here and it'll open up to this. It says search product help or anything like that. What you're going to do is find your own web pages that you would like your students to use for any of any projects. So I've already made Ancient India Gupta Empire for Kids. I'm going to add it to this. Mongolia. I'm going to name my search engine Mongolia for Kids. So, Mongolia for Kids. Then what I'm going to do is I've already found it. I'm going to have all my search engines or my search things that I wanted at the top for them. I'm going to copy and paste them into my search. So once I do that, I'm going to keep adding to them every one that I want them to use. This is because what we want them to do is not be able to go into just random websites and things like that. As you can see, it will keep adding a good number, is about 5 to 6 of them that you would need for a good project for them to do. The next thing I'm going to do is push create. Once I've done create, it's going to give me a Google search. I can add this to my site. I can get a code. I can get a public URL. And I can even get my search engine. Now, one thing that I have noticed is that I can modify with the control panel. I do not have a lot of options for this. So because my school does not permit them, but I can turn my image search on so that they can also use images, which is very important. I can turn on my safe search, which is really important for sixth graders who are not the best researchers yet. Then what they have is this: can they search the entire web? I do not want them to search the entire web, so I keep that turned off. I want them just using what I give them. And so I try to restrict as much as I can. You can also, if your school has more options, if you're a program or you have more access to more options, you will be able to do more advanced things. Unfortunately, like I said, my school does not offer a lot. So this is a customized search, but then what's the great thing about this is when I go back to my Mongolia, my basics, I can get my code or my public image right here. If I click on this, it opens up and they can type in Mongolia and whatever I want them to look up. So as they type in Mongolia, it gives them, of course, still some free ads. This is stuff that you can get rid of, but then I tell the kids to just start right below the ads and to ignore that. That was not from me. As I said, if your school allows you to delete those, you can delete ads or other things. But as unfortunately, my school does not have access to custom searches. So this is a start on what a custom search would look like. As I said, about 5 or 6 websites added, and you can keep going and adding and subtracting as you need for projects. So I hope this custom search video helps you, and have a good day.